Locked out of your iPhone because you forgot the Apple ID password? Don't worry. In today's video, I'll walk you through the safe and proven methods to remove Apple ID from your iPhone so you can get back full access to your device without stress. Method 1. Remove Apple ID from iPhone without password or computer. If you know the previous owner, you can ask them to help you remove the Apple ID remotely. If you can't contact the previous owner, skip to Method 2. Here's a quick guide for the previous owner to remove their Apple ID from the iPad using the web. Step 1. Visit iCloud.com and sign in with the associated Apple ID. Step 2. After signing in, select Find My. Click All Devices and choose the iPad from the list. Step 3. Click Remove from Account and confirm by selecting Remove. The iPad can then be activated and used by a new user. Method 2. Remove Apple ID from iPhone without password. When it comes to Apple ID removal, a professional iOS device unlocker named PhoneTool Unlocker will be your best helper. Its powerful features allow you to easily finish the task in simple clicks. This software can remove Apple ID from iPad/iPhone without entering password. If the Find My feature is not enabled on the device, all your device data will be preserved. Now, you can download this useful tool in the video description and follow the guidance below to learn how to unlock your iPhone in simple operations. Step 1. Install PhoneTool Unlocker on your PC. Connect your iPad to the computer via a USB cable. Tap Trust on your device to continue if asked. Step 2. Launch PhoneTool Unlocker greater than. Select the Remove Apple ID option in the interface. Step 3. Set a backup password as instructed. Ensure you remember this password for future reference. Step 4. Confirm the on-screen instructions, greater than click Remove Now, to unlink your Apple ID from the device. Once the process is finished, you can click Back to Homepage to reset, or use your device without an Apple ID. And that's how you can safely remove an Apple ID from your iPhone. If this video helped you, make sure to hit the like button. Subscribe for more iPhone tips